You can see straight through my light. Oh, there's something in my chest that I can't hide. When feelings get involved, I'm terrified. 'Cause I've been here before and said goodbye. Oh, are you the one when I try to look, I wish I'd find? Oh, how can I love when I've been hurt 100 times? For you I'd give it one more try.
Where are we going, babe?
Huh?
Where are we going?
Cycle bar.
Oh my
Cycle bar. I forgot. I was gonna say Soul Cycle.
I wish we were going to Soul Cycle, but not today.
But today we are going to the Spectrum.
Oh, I leave them all behind, but don't know how.
Oh, you're good. You can walk. It's totally fine.
Bury my head deep within the crowd, but I'm reaching.
Hello and welcome to the video. Today's just a Saturday day in the life. So far I've trained a client, was at Salty, and took a cycle bar class. I normally don't do 2 days, but I've been on a lot of trips, moving my body feels good, so here we are. Now me and Andrew went to the Capital One Cafe that serves pizza, and this coffee was $1. Honestly, I don't know if it's every Capital One Cafe, but the one at the Irvine Spectrum, $1, every drink is $1 for 2 full months.
You mean to tell me there's more than one Capital One Cafe?
There must be.
This is the first time I've heard of it. Oh my god.
Also, so we went to the Capital One Cafe because one of my friends on Instagram always recommends these, and last time I was there they had them and I really wanted to try one, but they were closed. So that's why we ended up at the Capital One Cafe. According to Andrew, they're already so good.
You know what this is?
What?
It's what's that bar that we got in the box from the people in Ohio?
Oh, the Nash bars?
It's like a Nash bar.
Uh-huh.
Went to second base with an RX ball. And then they went into an ice bath.
Pro bars recommended to everyone by the one, the only, Lauren Onisi. It's very small though. Damn, that's small.
Were you unaware of that prior to seeing the packaging?
That is really good.
That's insane good. Am I wrong with what I said either?
No.
No, it's like the worst parts of each one of those textures are here.
The worst part?
Sorry. The worst parts were taken out of each one of those bars and then put into here. Because it's like crunchy. That's see the cacao thingy. But then the bar is not gooey, like it's also crunched because it's cold. I'm like, that's pretty good. Here's all I'm saying. 2 of these biddies is like a 1/4 of your caloric intake on a regular on a regular sedentary American. But I digress.
So that's what we're up to. Enjoying the palm trees.
And David Buster.
And Dave and Buster. And Old Navy, but mostly just the palm trees. I look like a potato. We're enjoying our $1 coffees. And Pro bars. I know, I can't believe it was $1. That was actually crazy.
Left a star glowing in your eyes when I'm not.
So we had absolutely no intention on being at the mall this long.
Zero.
But we ended up here because I bought some gifts for people, which I won't show in case they watch. They probably won't, but just in case. It is now 1:30 and we're starving. So we ended up going to that market that you just saw and we got some food. I got a salad, Andrew got some poke and a musubi, is that how you say it? Then we got cheesecake for later. Okay, so we were at the mall for entirely too long. This is not even.
It's mall rats, honestly.
It was not a vibe. We did not, I don't think we got home till like 2:30. Oh my gosh, our neighborhood's insane. So we were totally preparing to like take a nap. We took showers because they had showers in Cycle Bar. And then our friend was like, do you want to come and hang out at my pool? And obviously the answer is yes. So now we're going to the pool. It's gonna be great. And we're just gonna nap at the pool instead of napping in our bed. This is kind of how we normally do Saturdays, if I'm being honest. I feel like we're like super active in the morning, go work out, do all the things, and then just chill. I do still have to pack for our trip we're leaving on to. Our trip we are leaving for our trip we're leaving on tomorrow.
We're leaving tomorrow.
We're going
for our trip.
And I need to pack for it, so I don't know when that's gonna happen. It's already 3:37. But I'm excited to lay in the sun, even though all next week that's all we're gonna do is lay in the sun. But it'll be great. Maybe I'll read some of my book. I did want to read some of my book today. That's what we're doing. Summer afternoon, summer Saturday. Pool time.
You left a scar. I fall into your lies all again. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Let me feel.
Wow, it is really beautiful. We got back from the pool so long ago. I have showered again. I have this policy that I only shower once a day. It's policy that I have. I don't make the rules, but it's policy. But I had to break said policy today and I body showered twice. Obviously I did not wash my hair. It's a mess. We're not dealing with it right now. I sat on the couch and watched YouTube for maybe 2 hours. We made dinner. Here we are. I still have to pack because we're leaving tomorrow. And I don't feel like doing anything. I won't bring you along with packing because genuinely it's probably not that interesting. I think I'm gonna go for a walk. Motivate myself to get in like that self-care mode. You know, I feel like going for a walk sometimes and listening to a podcast like motivates you to do the things that like you don't want to do but you know are like good for you, aka doing the basic responsibilities of like living, which is packing for a trip you have the next day.
Fall into you.
Drinking the dollar coffee from yesterday. I thought I would continue the vlog onto Sunday. I'm gonna pack today. I'm gonna clean a little today. It's gonna be like a Sunday reset, but which I love actually. I love a good Sunday reset. It just feels like it sets up my week. I like having a clean space, but I only like cleaning when I'm in the mood to clean, and Sundays get me in the mood. Gonna pack, gonna go to Solidcore today, so excited. So, pretty chill day. Cue, relaxing, cleaning, montage, and packing, montage. Hi, Chloe. Aw.
Sit.
So Noel and Amanda dropped us off in LA. We're gonna go through there, but Neo and Teddy probably won't.
Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Let me feel it. Let me feel
That doesn't tell you anything. We are in the airport right now, specifically the Delta Skyline. We're flying LAX in T-minus 1 hour. It is 9 p.m. We have a red eye to Michigan. What?
1 hour.
1 hour. We have red eye to Michigan and then from Michigan to Myrtle Beach. So, all in all, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I was editing the vlog from today and I was like, I can't believe that was today. It feels like we've been in the airport forever so far because we did get here so early. We were not allowed to come to the lounge yet. So, I would show you the lounge, but it's genuinely not that interesting. I'll probably get another glass of wine before I leave though. But I'm gonna cut off the vlog here. That was this weekend, and then it'll go right into my vlog of Myrtle Beach, where I'll probably give you some health tips. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys very, very soon.